He's coming, so go slow. I'm gonna pull off here. You stop?
Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey there, partner.
Hey, y'all aware your headlights aren't burning?
Hold on one second. What was that?
You're aware your headlights aren't burning?
Oh, mine should be on.
Neither one of them was on when you guys went by me.
Oh, I'm so I must have clicked it down on accident. My bad about
You have
that.
to have them on in Tennessee.
Okay.
Plus, I just didn't want y'all to be out at night and
Oh yeah.
have it.
Oh yeah.
Be out in the middle of nowhere.
Definitely. I appreciate it. How you doing?
Doing good. Y'all having a good time?
Yeah, trying to. This is my buddy drove all the way from New Mexico to come out here. I told him it's.
Out here?
Huh?
Did he ride?
He trailered it. Yeah, no, that'd been crazy if he rode his bike out here.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Good deal. Well, y'all have fun.
Thank you. You as well. What's your name?
Millsaps, Trooper Millsaps.
Nice to
Sorry,
meet you.
Introduce myself.
Yep.
With the helmet there.
I appreciate it.
Y'all have your licenses with you?
I do. Yeah.
I just have to check.
Yeah. No.
The ticket,
Of course.
You're good. Your headlight has to be burning.
Okay.
Neither one of them was burning when you went by me. I told him not that I'm really worried about. I just didn't want y'all to be out in the dark and be up here and not be able to fix it.
Totally get it. I appreciate it.
You guys, how long you here for?
Today's our last day.
Last day.
Yep.
Well, at least the weather's.
Yeah. Well, we got here Saturday. Last Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday was just rain. Yeah.
Good deal. Good deal. Y'all be safe.
Hey.
Have a good time and be careful, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You guys, be careful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Be safe.
Have a good one. You as well. You write any big speeding tickets this weekend?
Buddy, I try to give people a chance. I usually don't stop anybody unless they're 55 or 60.
Yeah,
I know y'all want to have a little fun. We try to do that.
I appreciate that. It's hard to keep 30.
It is.
My biggest thing is we saw you probably know the Trooper. He was on a Harley out here yesterday, and we were following him coming through here, and some guy was just crossing the yellow, and he lit him up. As soon as that, I was like, that's the one thing you got to get pulled over for. Yep.
Yeah. And a lot of these guys, man, I don't know. It's a pet peeve of mine, and I ain't picking on you guys, but these motorcycles, they'll be in their lane, but their heads across the line.
Yep. I try to be very cautious of that. Yep.
And I'm like, I've had one about hit my mirror, and
I
don't want to hurt nobody.
No.
This is my lane.
Yeah.
You guys be safe.
Hey, thank you too.
Have a good day. Hey, I'm gonna get a picture of your tag.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't have any internet or radio service. I just have to check out, so you're not in no trouble. I just want to let you know what I was doing, okay?
Yep. So
as soon as I get service and get it in, I'll delete it, okay?
Okay.
Is your
So I'll be honest. My tag just fell off. We're going to meet my buddies that got zip ties. It's in here.
So you found it?
Oh yeah.
You're good, man. You're all right.
Okay.
As long as I get one of them, you're good.
Okay. I appreciate you being cool.
No problem, buddy. Thank y'all.
Yep. Be safe out there.
Hey, y'all be safe.
Thank you. Yeah. Well, you've seen a New Mexico tag. You don't see those often out here.
No. I was going to tell you, there's a Blunt County boy sitting on down the road in a white plane running.
Oh yeah, we saw him.
He's not as cool as we are. So we've seen him.
Yep.
So y'all be safe, and if I can get this thing to work here. Like I say, it ain't nothing I'm going to call ahead.
No, totally get it.
Guys, Y'all be careful.
Thanks, brother. You be good.
Have a good.
You too.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I don't want to kill my battery. Is it fine to walk my bike over to that pull-off? It's not cranking. I think I need to bump start it.
Yeah.
It's fine if I wait for traffic and just walk it off the edge.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I'm going to do is I'll pull around in this curve with some blues on to help slow them down for me.
Thank you. I appreciate you. I got it. Thank you, though. Fucking Hoosebergs.